Alright guys, if you're like me, and this is a 2002 Silverado with the automatic headlights. The headlights come on automatically. They run almost all the time. Not your running lights, just for the automatic headlights. So at nighttime, dusk, when they turn on, mine stay on most of the time anyways. I'm getting different headlights, and I'd like them to not be running all the time. So usually you just click your dome override button 4 times in a row, and you should hear a chime, and that'll disable the automatic headlights. But in this case, for some reason, it does not work in this truck. You do not hear the chime, and the headlights do not turn off. So I know this works on an 02. I would assume 99 to 02, and probably 03 to 06 or early 07, but I cannot confirm that. I just know that this is an 02. So if you take your kick panel off, take your little kick panel off down here to expose under your dash. It's just 2 bolts, 2 little screws, and you should see these plugs, 3 plugs. On the right, this purple plug is what you want to disconnect after you disconnect your battery, because you never want to unplug something with your battery in. And you should see this white wire, and there's going to be 2 gray wires. You want the gray wire that's furthest away from the white wire, the one that's furthest away. And then I just got a razor blade and exposed the copper. Just exposed a piece of the wire, and I ordered a pack of 5 of these resistors. I'll put what they are in the description, but I'm pretty sure they're 1.5K ohms, half a watt resistors. When you get them, make sure you get the metal film, not the carbon film. The metal ones are a little bit better, and they should last longer, but don't take my word for that in the video. I'll put in the description the exact specifications of this. It is just a resistor. Resistors are not polar sensitive. You can put it in either way. I'm just going to twist the ends of it around the wire, solder it in, electrical tape it, put the plug back in, and then your headlights will only be able to be turned on by this switch. Your automatic headlights will be disabled. And that's pretty much it. If this video posts, then it worked, and the information on the resistor will be in the description.